Look at strawberries. We are picking up strawberries. So you can see the strawberries, Kylie. Okay, let's see. It's hot today. Hot today. Kylie, careful. Let it go. Slowly, okay? Let's see if I can show it, Kylie. Kylie's picking up strawberries. Kylie, are you getting strawberry or are you getting hay from the floor? Let's go find strawberries, Kylie. Veo, mira a ver si encuentras strawberries. Papi is picking strawberries. And then says the family is doing it too. Right now. Come on. Let's go find strawberries. See if you find... Can you find strawberries? Where's that? That's grass. Let's go find strawberries. Kylie, wait for Mama. Careful. Don't run. Careful, Kylie. Look at this. So gorgeous. So cute. Here's the whole family. This is Kylie. And Papa is over there. Kylie. Kylie. You having fun, Kylie? Huh? Mommy give her your hat. Kylie. Yes? No. We cannot pass through the... Because you're going to step in the strawberry. Look at Mama. Look at Mommy, Kylie. Look, Kylie. Kylie, say hello. No, wipes. I have wipes. The book bag. You have allergies. Come on. Future president. Come on. That's a grass. Come on, let's go. Let's go this way. Kylie, come on this way. Kylie. Hi. Look at Papa. He's getting a strawberry for Kylie. Because Kylie, she don't know. And she just grabbed them and squeezed them. They're so good for sensory. They're very good for sensory because Kylie grabbed them and squeezed them. Like she's playing with Play-Doh. Kylie, she don't want to even eat it. Careful, Kylie. Papa, are you having fun? Except for the allergies. Papi's having allergies. Kylie, come on. Look, Papi, here and more. Kylie, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Find the strawberries. Find the strawberries. Careful. Be careful. Strawberries. Strawberries. All the people grabbing strawberries. It's a beautiful day. It's sunny. It's hot. I mean, it's too hot. It's like I'm sweating so bad. Kylie, can you stop? Now we are picking blueberries. Kylie, that's grass. Why you not pick up the blueberries? Look, Kylie. Kylie, look. Look. Look at this, Kylie. Kylie. Open. Kylie. Kylie, are you having fun, Kylie? Look at the blueberries there. Look so cute, guys. Look at that. This is my family. Came visiting. And no, don't pick up that ones. That ones are not ready. They are not done. Kylie, this way. Hi, Mama. Kylie. Pick one. Mmm, yummy. Eat it. Eat. Mmm. Mira cómo la... She just squeezed them. She squeezed them. Papi, yeah, Kylie squeezed them. She grabbed it, but she squeezed them. Show me what you have in your basket. Blueberries, strawberries. And here is Miss Kylie Jojo. Kylie. Being good, but it's hot. It's hot, hot, hot. Kylie having fun. And she's careful, careful, Kylie. Careful. She's just having so much fun. Oh, don't touch that. She wanted to grab everything. Look at how cute she looks. She's having a good balance in here. That's impressed because at home she fell so many times. But she's doing so good. Papa. Papa is over there. Kylie. Blueberries. Can you say blueberries? Blueberries. Get a blueberry. Yummy. Pull. Pull like this. Like, look at this. Here. Here. Here, Kylie. Here. She don't want the blueberries. She like the sticks, but no blueberries. Need a break? That's okay. I don't care. Kylie have a break. So yummy. Yummy. Ah, Dios mío. I'm so sweaty. I'm hot. Kylie, look at Mama. Future president with the open legs. Let me close that. Look at the chickens. Look, guys, the chickens. They're burning. Coco. That's a Coco, Kylie. Kylie put a finger and the chicken tried to bite her. Coco. Let's go. Keep walking. Let's see. Okay. Wait. Careful. Hi. Look, let's go see this. Look, the duck. Coco. Can you say, look at Coco? Say Coco. Coco. Say Coco. Say Coco. I cannot let Kylie go close because the chicken tried to bite her. Say Coco. Come on, let's go see the other animal. Coco, say Coco. Look in here. Oh, that's chicken. That's no meow. Look at the duck. Quack, 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 quack. Duck. Look. Oh, ducks. Come on, let's go. Oh, that one having fun in the water. That's what I need. Look, let me help you. Let me help you. Look. Let's see. Look. You see? Duck. Can you see? Quack, quack, quack. Are you having fun, Kylie? Yeah. No, we don't. Quack, quack. You want to go see the sheep? Look at the cow. Good move. Let's see the cow. Look at the cow, Kylie. Cow. Oh, look at the little sheep. Kylie, look at the sheep. Look at sheep. Careful, she can bite you. No, you cannot kiss them. You're trying to kiss them? Okay, Kylie, want to kiss them? Wow. Oh, wow. So hard. You see the cow say moo. That's the cow. Okay, let me see. Let me stop. Look at it. It's bitten. Yummy. That's stinky. It's so nice. Look, the horse. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. Say hi, Papa. Can you say hi to everyone?
Hi there.
Go, get Kylie. Get Kylie. We feed the sheep. That's a sheep. How the sheep do, Kylie? Huh, Kylie? Bah. That's a horse. Nane. That's a horse. Bye. Let's see the bunny. Come on. Where is the corn tin to get her inside?
Pero no puedes entrar ahí.
No. No, you know that.
Ellos están cogiendo sombra porque mira el calor que hace.
Papa. Kylie, are having you fun? Kylie's sweating. It's so hot, Kylie.
Ah, mira the tiny
Look how red she looks, poor thing. We need water. Let's go get some water. You guys, we're having so much fun today. Papi, you're having fun today.
Of course.
Kylie, you have fun today? Yes. Kylie don't want to come today. She have a cousin, and she's gonna stay at home with her because she just moved to New Jersey, and she is crazy about it. She's having fun because she have somebody her same age, and they're enjoying each other. But Kylie have much fun except because it's too hot. It's too hot. Kylie, we're gonna eat something now. Yeah? We're gonna eat Kylie. We're gonna eat Kylie. Let's go see what is something to eat. Papa, let's go have something to eat. Mom. You acabo de ver somebody that food fell on the floor. That's not nice. Here it's not hot. We're gonna get something to eat right now. Kylie, what you say? Careful. We're gonna eat something. Yeah.